Okay, so Call of Duty Black Ops 6 just got released and you're looking right now for the option to play hardcore and you're not able to find it. So first you want to go to your multiplayer tab, then go down on the left to find a match. Here you have all the multiplayer game modes, find a match, Nuketown 24/7 and so on. But as you can see, there is no hardcore. So hover over find a match and then the filter option appears. Click on filter and now you can find a match for these selected game modes. And on the right side you have the same option for the hardcore game mode. So select, deselect your game modes you want to play and then click find a match. And as you can see, we are now searching only for hardcore game modes. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you also have the problem to level too slow in BO6, please click here to get a full loadout to level faster in Black Ops 6 multiplayer.